Welcome to English Voice Chat.
Hello, everyone. I am Jake.
And I am Emma. Today, we are going to have a real English conversation about our morning routine.
This is perfect for beginners. We will speak slowly, we will explain new words, and we will repeat important phrases for you.
So just relax, listen, and enjoy your English practice. Let us begin.
So, Emma, what time did you wake up this morning?
Oh, I woke up at 7 o'clock. My alarm went off and I just did not want to get up.
Oh, I know that feeling. Did you hit snooze?
Yes, twice. I hit snooze 2 times before I finally got out of bed.
Okay, let us stop here. Emma used some important phrases. The first one, my alarm went off. This means the alarm started making noise. The alarm started ringing.
My alarm went off at 7.
My alarm went off at 7. Please say it with us. The second phrase, I hit snooze. When you hit snooze, you press a button on your alarm to get 5 or 10 more minutes of sleep.
I hit snooze twice this morning. I was very tired.
Do you hit snooze in the morning? Think about your answer in English. So, after you finally got up, what did you do first?
First, I went to the bathroom. I washed my face with cold water. Cold water really helps me wake up.
That is a good habit. I do the same thing.
The phrase here is, it helps me wake up. This means it makes waking up easier. Cold water helps me wake up. Coffee helps me wake up.
What helps you wake up in the morning? Coffee? Cold water? Exercise? Think about it in English. Okay, Emma. After you washed your face, did you make breakfast?
Yes, I always make breakfast at home. This morning I made scrambled eggs and toast.
Oh, nice. Do you always cook in the morning? I usually just have cereal. It is quick and easy.
Cereal is a good choice when you are in a hurry. But I like to take my time in the morning. Breakfast is my favorite meal.
Let us look at some phrases. Emma said, I take my time. This means I go slowly. I do not rush. I am relaxed.
I like to take my time in the morning.
I like to take my time in the morning. Say it with us. Emma also said, I am in a hurry. This means I do not have much time. I need to go fast.
On Mondays, I am always in a hurry. I do not have time to cook.
Monday mornings are difficult for everyone.
Are you usually in a hurry in the morning, or do you take your time? Think about your answer. So, Jake, what did you have for breakfast today?
I had cereal with milk and a banana. And of course, coffee. I cannot start my day without coffee.
You sound like me. I also had coffee this morning. I had 1 cup before I left the house.
I cannot start my day without is a very useful phrase. You can use it for anything important to you.
I cannot start my day without coffee. I cannot start my day without music. I cannot start my day without exercise.
What can you not start your day without? Say your answer out loud in English. Emma, after breakfast, how long does it take you to get ready?
Honestly, about 45 minutes. I shower, I get dressed, I do my hair.
45 minutes? That is a long time. I only need 20 minutes.
20 minutes? How?
I shower the night before. So in the morning, I just get dressed, brush my teeth, and I am ready to go.
Oh, that is actually a really good idea. I should try that.
Let us look at the phrase, I am ready to go. This means, I am completely prepared. I can leave now.
I brushed my teeth and I was ready to go.
I brushed my teeth and I was ready to go.
Please repeat. Another phrase, the night before. This means the evening of the previous day. Yesterday night. Before today.
I shower the night before. I prepare my clothes the night before. I pack my bag the night before.
Do you prepare anything the night before? Your clothes, your bag, your lunch? Think about it. So Emma, what do you wear on a normal day? Like today?
Today I am wearing jeans and a blue sweater. It is comfortable and still looks nice.
I like that. I am wearing jeans too, with a gray t-shirt. I like comfortable clothes.
Here we use the present continuous tense. I am wearing. This describes what you have on right now, at this moment.
I am wearing jeans and a t-shirt.
She is wearing a blue sweater and jeans.
What are you wearing right now? Say it out loud in English. I am wearing.
Jake, what time do you usually leave the house in the morning?
I usually leave at around 8:30. My commute takes about 30 minutes.
How do you get to work? Do you drive or take public transport?
I take the subway. It is faster than driving in the city. And I can listen to podcasts on the way.
That is nice. I actually walk to work. It only takes 15 minutes, and I enjoy the fresh air in the morning.
Let us look at some travel vocabulary here. Commute. This is the journey from your home to your work or school. Everyday travel.
My commute takes 30 minutes.
My commute takes 30 minutes. Repeat with us. Public transport. This means buses, trains, subways, trams, any transport that everyone uses together.
I take public transport to school. The public transport here is very good.
How do you get to school or work? Do you walk? Take the bus? Drive? Say your answer in English.
Oh, one more thing. Do you ever forget anything when you leave the house?
All the time. This morning I forgot my water bottle. I had to go back inside to get it.
I always forget my keys. I check my bag 3 times before I leave.
The phrase, I had to go back. This means it was necessary to return. I forgot something, so I needed to go back.
I forgot my keys, so I had to go back inside.
I forgot my keys, so I had to go back inside. Say it with us. So Emma, when you arrive at work, what is the first thing you do?
First, I make a cup of tea. Then I check my messages and plan my day. I like to know exactly what I need to do.
I do something similar. I check my emails first and write a to-do list. It helps me stay organized.
To-do list. This is a list of tasks you need to complete. Things you need to do today.
I write a to-do list every morning.
I write a to-do list every morning. Please repeat. Jake said, "It helps me stay organized." Organized means everything is planned. Everything is in the right place. You know what you are doing.
A to-do list helps me stay organized. A calendar helps me stay organized. Writing notes helps me stay organized.
Do you write a to-do list? What helps you stay organized? Think about your answer.
Emma, do you ever have a difficult morning? Like everything goes wrong?
Oh, yes. Last Tuesday was terrible. I woke up late, I burned my toast, I missed my bus, and I arrived at work 20 minutes late.
Oh no, that is a very bad morning.
It really was. But these things happen sometimes.
Emma used the phrase, "These things happen." This is something we say when something bad or difficult occurs. It is normal. Do not worry about it.
I was late for class, but these things happen. I made a mistake, but these things happen.
This is a very useful phrase in real life. When something goes wrong, just say, "These things happen."
Okay, everyone. Let us now review all the vocabulary and phrases from today's conversation.
I will say the phrase, Jake will explain it, and then we will both say it slowly one more time for you to repeat.
This is your chance to practice. Say each phrase out loud with us. Ready?
Phrase 1. My alarm went off.
This means the alarm started ringing. It began making noise.
My alarm went off at 7.
My alarm went off at 7. Phrase 2. I hit snooze.
This means you pressed a button to get a few more minutes of sleep.
I hit snooze 2 times this morning.
I hit snooze 2 times this morning. Phrase 3. I take my time.
This means I go slowly. I am not in a hurry. I am relaxed.
I like to take my time in the morning.
I like to take my time in the morning. Phrase 4. I am in a hurry.
This means I do not have much time. I need to move quickly.
On Mondays, I am always in a hurry.
On Mondays, I am always in a hurry. Phrase 5. I am ready to go.
This means I am completely prepared. I can leave right now.
I brushed my teeth and I was ready to go.
I brushed my teeth and I was ready to go. Phrase 6. My commute takes.
Commute is the journey from home to work or school every day.
My commute takes about 30 minutes.
My commute takes about 30 minutes. Phrase 7. I had to go back.
This means it was necessary to return. I needed to go back for something.
I forgot my keys, so I had to go back inside.
I forgot my keys, so I had to go back inside. Phrase 8. These things happen.
We say this when something goes wrong. It is normal. Do not worry.
I was late this morning, but these things happen.
I was late this morning, but these things happen. Amazing work, everyone. You just practiced 8 real English phrases that native speakers use every single day.
Now let us have one final short conversation using all of these phrases together. Listen carefully.
Jake, how was your morning today?
Honestly, not great. My alarm went off at 6:30, but I hit snooze 3 times.
Oh no, so you were in a hurry?
Very much. I did not have time for breakfast. I grabbed my bag and I was ready to go in 15 minutes.
15 minutes? That is fast. Did you forget anything?
Yes, my lunch. I had to go back inside to get it. I missed my usual train.
Oh, that is a tough morning. But these things happen, right?
Exactly. These things happen. Tomorrow will be better. I will take my time.
Did you follow that conversation? How many phrases did you hear? Listen one more time if you need to. Thank you so much for watching and practicing English with us today.
You did really well. Keep practicing every day. Even just 10 minutes makes a difference.
If this video helped you, please give it a like. It really helps our channel grow.
And subscribe to English Voice Chat for a new English lesson every single day.
We will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, and keep speaking English.